And today we're going to be talking about a gift guide for the Christmas.
The Christmas.
Hey guys, I'm Brad with Skyline Construction, and today's a special day. This is my better half, Tiffany.
Hi.
And we're going to be talking about our gift guide for Christmas.
Yeah, and the reason I'm here, normally I'm behind the camera during Brad's tool reviews, but I figured there were probably some people like me out there who maybe have a tool lover in their lives and
Guilty.
and think it would be great to get them some kind of tool for Christmas, but pretty much have no idea what to get. So we want to help you out because I could use that help as well. So
Yeah, you could.
Yeah, and so we have how many tools here today?
We're looking at 6 tools today.
Okay, but when we compiled this list, we came up with so many ideas we couldn't possibly fit them into one video. So we've actually put them together in a gift guide, and you can find that on our website, hammerandhome.ca. There's a big red button. It says gift guide, and that's our gift to you.
Yeah.
But what about the tools we have here? These are your favorites, right?
You know, it's really hard. There's so many tools to choose from, but these ones, price point wise, these are really good, you know, tools to have.
What is the price point?
So the price point on these is anywhere from about $100 up to $250. And I've got an old trailer, so I could have brought them all out, but we'd be here all day and the price point would then be up to the thousands of dollars. So we're just going to keep it simple, hit some key points that I feel like are good tools to have, and they really
everyone,
for
no matter
everyone, yeah.
What kind of work you're into?
Yeah, if you're into renovations or do it yourself, or you're a professional like myself, these are all decent tools to own and have in your arsenal.
And so the person giving them to you can't really go wrong.
Yeah, that's right. So you want to get to it?
Yeah, let's get to it. Let's
Okay.
Reverse the orders.
Okay.
Saving your most favorite for last.
All right, so number 6 then. Number 6 are the ISOtunes Pro noise cancellation earbuds.
Oh yeah, let me see those.
Yeah, so we just picked these up. They're pretty cool. They have a 27 NR rating on them. So the way these work, they don't actually have a noise cancellation like the Bosch noise cancellation headphones. These are more like earbuds, or earplugs I should say, but you can also listen to music on them, and you can answer your phone, you can talk, and so on and so forth. I really like these, and there's a bunch of different colors out there that you can get, but yeah, these are really cool to have. And they start off at about $115 or something like that. And they're OSHA compliant too. So pretty cool little tool to have.
Sounds like a step up from your average earplugs.
Yeah, they're definitely a step up. I mean, I'm on my phone all the time, and I typically just use the small foam earplugs.
Yeah.
And I just don't like taking them out because then they get lost. These, because they have a cord, they'll just hang out around your neck.
Oh.
And then you can just stick them back in when you need them. But if I'm on the phone, I can leave them in. And that's a huge benefit for me. I can leave them in, I can still keep my ears protected, and I can take phone calls.
Oh, okay. Yeah, those sound great.
Yeah.
All right.
So that's number 6.
Number 6.
So number 5 is kind of a tool that I think every dude who loves knives should have. And it's the Leatherman Wave. This orange one is a special edition that I picked up in the States years ago, but the Leatherman Wave is the same no matter what. They just change the color sometimes. And this is such a great multi-tool to have. I just keep this in my bag, so I've always got it. You can get attachments for it as well.
Well, it looks like it would be handy for anyone to keep in their car. Or
Yeah. I mean, if you got a car, this is a great tool to have. It's got knives on it. It's got a saw, wire cutters, attachment for a little screwdriver bit. It's got all kinds of little cool gadgets on this. So I love this, and a lot of guys really love the Leatherman series too. So
Good gift.
yeah, this is a great gift to give to your guy or girl.
And you know, if someone already had one, would it be that bad if you didn't
No.
know and you gave that to them?
No, because I mean, I own more than a couple different knives, and you just can't go wrong having handy tools like that.
Just stuck in every car door.
That's
and
right.
Every toolbox,
You never know, right? You
and
never
every
know.
Kitchen drawer.
They come in handy. So number
What are we on?
4?
Number 4.
Yeah. So number 4 is just the brushless Dewalt Multitool.
Oh, you did a review on this.
I did a review on this. Yeah. We looked at the atomic version as well as this version. This is the XR.
The older one.
Yeah, the older model. But on Amazon, they have a great sort of combo kit where it comes with the sandpaper and blades and a case and all that. So I feel like this is such a handy tool to have when you're renovating. The things you can do with this, like I said, you can sand, you can cut, you can grind. It's just an amazing tool to have. And once you have it, you really won't go back.
Okay.
And the price point on this is anywhere between $120 to $200, depending on where you get it. But there's some good deals out there.
Nice one to put under the tree.
Yeah, I love these tools.
For your tool-aholic.
Yeah,
Tool-aholic in your life.
that's right. So the next one is the 4.5-inch Dewalt Atomic saw. Now, we did a review on this as well.
Yeah.
And
got a lot of interest.
A lot of interest. It's amazing how many people love this saw. When you first look at it, you think it's tiny. What's a 4.5-inch blade going to do? But you can cut everything from 2x4 material, 2x6 and up, to plywood. And it's mostly used for cutting sheet goods, but it is just such a handy little saw. You can't go wrong. And once you have it, once you start using it, I know you'll like it.
And also, if the tool lover in your life, if you want to get something that they might not have yet, this one's pretty new, right?
Yeah, this is really new to the 2019 market, and everyone's really liking it. You know, it's a different kind of tool, and people love it. All my guys love it on site, so I'm really happy with it. I just bought a second one actually for my other trailer.
So I feel like someone maybe who, like me, doesn't really know tools could score major points giving this one.
Yeah,
right?
you could. You
Yeah.
could. I would be super stoked if you bought me a tool like that.
Okay.
Yeah. So number 5. Number 5.
No, we're going
Oh,
in the other
we're going
order.
reverse.
Number two. So this means like really good one.
Yeah.
Really something that is going to be a winner.
Yeah, and the reason this is a winner, this is a battery booster and like a tire inflator. The reason I'm putting this as number 2 is this thing has bailed me out multiple times. I was
with you once when
Yeah, we actually
my SUV.
Yeah, we were
got
in
a flat.
Vancouver. We were in Vancouver, and that's when I bought this. And all the gas stations were closed, but Canadian Tire was open. I saw this, I picked it up, and fixed the tire in the driveway, and all was good.
Yeah.
And so now I carry this everywhere I go. I'm blowing a tire maybe, 5-6 times a year between all my different trailers and trucks. So it's just really handy. Yeah, it's super handy to have. And being an inflator as well, it's slow, but it gets the job done. It's got a flashlight on it.
Can you charge your phone?
You can charge, good catch. It has 2 USB chargers on here.
Never met a USB plug-in.
That's right.
I didn't need to use.
So you can charge, your iPhone on this, USB flashlights, things like that. So it's just really handy to have. I highly recommend this.
Okay, and drum roll, please.
Boom, 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 boom.
Has it been snowing the whole time? How perfect for our gift guide. Yeah, for the holidays.
Christmas is coming.
Nice hat, by the way.
Thank you.
Okay, all right. The suspense is killing me. What's number 1?
So number 1 is this Bosch laser measurer. This is, to me, just the best tool ever. Now this is the Blaze. It's the Professional GLM 50C. And there's another model that's just like this. The only difference is that this is Bluetooth capable.
Really?
And the other one is not. So there's about a $50 to $75 difference between the two.
Why would you need Bluetooth for that?
So the reason I love this is because it pairs with my iPhone and my iPad. And there's a program that you can get from the App Store that basically allows you to, say, take a picture of a room or a table, and then with the measurer, you just laser it all out and it automatically puts the dimensions onto that picture.
Wow.
You can also draw plans, basic plans. You're not going to be putting in like fixtures and things like that. But let's say you're doing a basement renovation. Very quickly you can draw out all the walls for the basement, and you can shoot this and it automatically puts the dimensions on your iPad or iPhone, and you can submit it to, I've done this before where I've just submitted that drawing to the city through the website, and I got my permit that way. So
wow.
I didn't even have to hire an architect to do our basement permits. I just did it with this.
Wow.
This also has a ton of other functions on it. It's got a level in it. You can figure out area. If you're into, say, concrete or drywalling or painting, this is really great for just a multitude of things. I highly recommend the GLM 50C.
It sounds like it might be a little expensive.
Yeah, this is the most expensive out of everything on the table. This, I think, is about $200.
Canadian.
Canadian.
Again, we always have to say that.
Yeah.
It's probably going to be less in the States.
We'll put a link down below to
Yeah.
the Amazon and Home Depot if they carry it. But yeah, this thing, I want to get another one just to have in my truck and keep going.
Of course you do.
I got to have two of everything, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, awesome tool. When I first got this, it was just such a game changer for me.
And is that a handy dandy clip on your belt?
Yeah, they give you a little case and you could put it on your belt. It's just a little Velcro bit here that comes off, and you can just stick it right onto your pouch or your belt or whatever you need.
All right, good list. But these are just 6 out of, what do we have, 30 on the entire gift
about
guide?
30.
Yeah, it's too cold out here to do 30 because it really is snowing now.
Yeah.
Good old Calgary. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing more ideas, head to our website, hammerandhome.ca. Click the button. The gift guide is our gift to you. And yeah, but these ones will have links right below in the description box for you, just to make it easy. But yeah, if if I was into tools, these
would be perfect.
Would be great. But you know what? I think I might have an idea what to get you for Christmas now. Yeah.
Thanks, honey.
All right.
Need another one of these.
Yep.
Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. I hope this helps. And as always, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.